Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, gaining 0.1%. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair rose 3.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 4.5% during the session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The gold gained 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Oil prices were little changed after a steep drop in the previous session, as the market remains concerned about demand this year and on signs that a wider conflict in the key Middle East producing region could be avoided. The two largest BRC20 tokens saw over 40% declines on the weekly chart, days ahead of the Bitcoin halving. Meanwhile, traders are shifting their focus to Bitcoin Runes, a new token standard on Bitcoin that makes it easier for users to create fungible tokens. The dollar rose as a mixed batch of US data did little to shake views that the economy is still on solid ground, suggesting the Federal Reserve will likely delay the timing of its first interest rate cut since 2020 to later this year.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US Baker Hughes US oil rig count will be released at 17:00 GMT. Germany's producer price index at 6:00 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK's retail sales will be released at 6:00 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The US Chicago Fed National Activity Index at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.